Welcome to you, my children, today in this channel, educational channel, science tutorial. And I think that you are learning well. There is no any problem you feel. So today I will teach you basic math basic math 11. How to find LCM and SCF by division method and by factorize method. In both method I will teach you, and I think that this will support you to go ahead in mathematics. So now we start. First of all, first question is we have to find LCM of 8, 50, 12 and 15. So we write at 12, 15. We should pay attention here that we divide it from the start from to any types of prime number 2, 3, 5. First of all, and we should pay attention that minimum 2 should be divisible. Here we see that 8 and 12 is divisible by 2, so start from 2. So we find 4 because 2 at 2 4 is 8, and we find 66 because 2 6 is 12, and 15 is not divisible by 2, so we write 15. We have to pay attention that which is not divisible we have to put same as a same form, and go ahead. We see that 4 6 15, here 4 and 6 is also divisible by 2, so we start to divide by 2, and we see that 4 2 4 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, and 2 3 is 6, and 15 is not divisible, so 15 is written in the same form. And go ahead for the next. We see that only 2 is divisible by 2, so so it will not divisible by 2, and so we start we see from the other prime number, that is 3. So we see that by 3 and 15 is divisible, so we take here from 3, and 2 is not divisible, so 2 write in the same form. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. So now we see that no any 2 digits that is divisible by any number. All are all have the co-prime number 1. So we start to multiply from start from here and all to 5. So we see here 2 2 3 2 and 5. You can leave 1 because you know that in multiplication 1 is not effective. So we find LCM if we multiply all this 2 2 3 2 5, we find 120. This is our answer. This is LCM. Now go ahead for the SCF of the same question, that is H at 12 15. And first of all we start from here 8 and 12. 8 and 12 we divide by 8 because 8 is small. So start at 1 ja 8, we find here remainder 4, and now 4 become divided, and we see we take here 8 here and start from to start by 4 4 2 ja 8, so remainder is 0, or you can also write cross. So if we have only 8 and 12, here we can find the SCF of 8 and 12 4, but one number is also here, that is 15. So we divide 15 by 4, so we see that 4 3 is 12, remaining 3. Now 3 become divided, and 4 and we have to divide by 3 to 4, and in denominator we find 1, not denominator, yes, we in remainder we find 1, and 3 1 is 3. and we see that 1 is also become divider, and we use 3 here, and 1 3 is a 3, so cross by 1. So we see that as a CF we find as a CF 1. So no, I think that you have to know any problem to understand this, and go ahead for the second process, that is a factorize method. We see had factorize method. In factorize method, the question is same 8, 12, 15, and we have to find the SCF and LCM. We also want to know, tell you that SCF means what is, anyone can ask you that what is the full form of LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple, and SCF means highest common factor. So we should pay attention that any types of number has a lot of multiples in imperative in number. So we have defined lowest common multiple, and in factor that is definite, so we find largest, that is highest common factor. So we start to do start to take action, and PF of 8, first of all see. So we find 2 2 2 2 into 2 into 2, and PF of 12 we find 2 into 2 into 3, and PF of 15 we find 5 and 3, 5 multiply 3. Now we should find when we start to find LCM, first of all we have to write here the maximum, where the use of number in maximum we have to put from there. We see that here 3 times 2, here 2 times, here no 2. So maximum, in maximum maximum 2 here is available, that is in number of 3. So we put here 3 2 3 times, because here 3 times, and this is maximum. And we have not to, if we write maximum, minimum comes inside it. So we do not we should not write the minimum number. Go for the next number, that is 3. 3 is here 1, here 1. So max in maximum you will find 3 only 1. So we write 1 times 3. Now go ahead for 5. 5 is also only 1. Here is no 5, here is no 5. Only here 5 in PF of 15. So we write 1 5. So if we multiply all this, we find 120. No, we should also pay attention of SCF. In SCF, we should pay attention that which number is common in all. Here see that 2 is not common in all, 3 is not common in all, 5 is not common in all. So, but you know that in multiply 1 is common in every number. So 1 is common, 1 is here, 1 is here, 1 is here. So we see that only 1 is common in all. So we write here 1. We should also pay attention that if 2 common in all, so we at this condition we have to write here 2. But here we see that only 1 is common in all, so we write here 1. So this is SCF, highest common factor. So I think that you understand this, no any problem. Now go ahead for the similar question. Had some similar questions. I request you that you should do all the similar question and to be perfect in LCM and SCF. Now next day I will teach you the fraction. I will go in fraction. I will teach you about fraction, and in fraction add, subtract and extra functions I will teach you. Now I think that you are understanding, there is no any problem you are facing. And if you like this video, you should share and subscribe it. Thank you very much. Thanks.